Hey Milkshakers, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is super cool. I'm going to unbox this glow-in-the-dark slime kit. I think I'm a master, so let's jump right into it. What comes in the box is your glow-in-the-dark glue, and of course, your activator. What you will need to have is your mixing utensil and your mixing bowl. Please do not use any of your utensils in the kitchen. I don't want your parents to get mad at me. If you need the instructions, they are right on the back and you can put it right next to you if you need so. I'm going to dump both of the glues in my bowl. You could do the slime separately if you want to, but that's optional. And I do not believe in wasting slime, so I'm going to get every bit out. Now we're going to do this in time lapse. Now that we're done pouring in the yellow glue, we're going to go in with the blue glue in time lapse. After you're done pouring in both of the glues, you want to take your magical liquid / activator and pour it in little by little into your mix. You want to pour it in little by little because if you add too much, it's going to become thick but not stretchy. After I pour my activator, I like to mix it 20 to 25 times, only because if there's activator in there and your slime is perfect and it's not hard and it's not too sticky, and you put it in there and the activator soaks into that, it becomes hard. As you can see, now that I've added in activator, it starts looking and turning into slime. When it looks like this, you want to go in with your hands and start mixing it thoroughly with your hands and just keep mixing it and mixing it and mixing it. I needed my mom's help for this because my hands were really sticky. Thanks, Mom! Now that you're done taking out your slime, you want to take out your slime and move the bowl aside. You're going to be using it later. Please ask your parents if you can use the countertop. My mom let me use the countertop because I wipe the counter either way. You want to take as much slime as you can out of the bowl and move the bowl aside. Now you just want to keep mixing your slime and adding activator. Don't forget to mix it thoroughly and add your activator until it stops sticking off your hands. Here's a close-up of my slime. It's super pretty and super glittery. My preference of a perfect slime is kind of sticky, but you guys can make your slime however you guys want. My slime is super good right now. It's nice and stretchy, and now I'm going to scratch off all the excess that was on the bowl that I didn't get when I was mixing in the slime, because my slime is done now. Here's my slime, and now I'm going to show you guys a cool bubble trick that I learned from one of my friends. Cool trick that I learned to make your slime glow even better is to hold it up to the light, then turn off your lights, and there you have it, your glow-in-the-dark slime. My video didn't catch it, but I took some amazing photos. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please thumbs up, subscribe to join the Milkshake fam. I post every Friday. Don't forget to be yourself, be kind, and I'll see you Milkshakers in the next one. Bye!